Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your age on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply click on the last option, that is settings and privacy. And after this you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will just simply tap on the option that is report a problem. And after a few seconds of login, you can just simply in the topic section you can choose account and profile, and here you can just also select the option editing profile. And after a few seconds of loading, you can now tap on other at very last, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on need more help at very last of the screen, and here you can just simply write the issue that you face, or you can submit a request. You can also attach the ID if you want to show, and after this you can just simply tap on submit. After this the TikTok will review your request and answer you or change your age on TikTok. And this is the way you can change your age on TikTok, and there is no other method to change age on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.